बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी ऑन संडे 12 मई 2024 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन अकाउंट्स की जॉब है। रेप्यूटेबल राइस एक्सपोर्ट कंपनी रिक्वायर्स फॉलोइंग स्टाफ। नंबर 1 अकाउंट्स मैनेजर विथ मिनिमम 3/4 years experience should have strong knowledge of bookkeeping, finance, computerized accounting, tax matters and preparation of final accounts. Number 2 export slash stock manager with minimum 3/4 years experience should have knowledge of expert documentation, bank dealing and maintenance of stock ledger, strong computer skills. Send your CV along with recent photo at jobcarcom@gmail.com. टैक्स कंसल्टिंग फर्म की जॉब है इन DHA। requires experienced tax manager supervisor for all sorts of taxation / GS T related assignment / compliances. Must have LLB -ITP / CA ICMA finalist, well trained in handling tax matters up to the level of ATIR independently, efficiently and diligently with consent to the management. Also requires lady secretary only. Fresh graduate and male/female trainees inter /graduate. Stipend offered up to ₹20,000. Please send your detailed CV and photo to mjrahmankov@yahoo.com. A well-reputed organization at Sharai Faisal, Karachi required an assistant accountant. Must be BCom from University of Karachi and computer literate. Minimum 1 year experience serving in accounts department of a reputable concern and having driving license of motorbike. Young energetic candidate not more than 35 years old with good communication skill. Please apply at email shadabalam75@yahoo.com and muazzam saeed 555@gmail.com. Accounts manager, a well established flour mill required the services of accounts manager holding the degree of MBA finance / MCom, having experience of 5 years in accounts. Preference will be given to those candidates having the experience in flour mill, rice mill, oil mill. Interested candidates send their CV by email ghani786fm@gmail.com before 15th May 2024. ये तो डेट निकल चुकी है। M/S गनी फ्लोर मिल साइट एरिया कराची, कोटरी। फ़ोन नंबर 0223871852, सेल नंबर 0333260666. An established company requires of one account assistant having qualification BCom. Candidate having 2 years experience of respective field may apply with full details in email adm.hr@outlook.com. Experienced accountant required for construction company, looking for an accountant who can handle our accounts section independently. He must have thorough knowledge income tax return, yearly closing on software base, at least 5 years experience as accounts in any reputable company is required. Salary will be commensurate with experience and ability. Please send your CV at nskbahmed@hotmail.com, nskbahmed@hotmail.com. Part-time internal auditor with audit and general accounts experience in site area. Retired persons preferred. Email fmcg1929@gmail.com, fmcg1929@gmail.com. Required accountant for textile weaving co with minimum 5 years experience, well versed in data entries and accounts software, also having good knowledge of sales tax / income tax laws and monthly tax submissions. Minimum qualification BCom and preferably Gujarati / Memon. Email hr@combined.ing.com. जनरल की जॉब है लीडिंग ग्राफिक आर्ट इक्विपमेंट सप्लायर, प्राइमरीली वर्किंग इन प्रिंट एंड पैकेजिंग इंडस्ट्री. सीकिंग टू रिक्रूट फॉलोइंग पर्सनल पोजीशन: IT सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. क्वालिफिकेशन BS/diploma in computer science or in related field from HEC recognized university. Experience 4 to 5 years experience of Microsoft Windows 2012/2008, server platform Active Directory ISA server, MS Exchange server, hardware, network and software, clustering position, import, executive qualification, commerce graduate or in related field from HEC recognized university, experience, working experience preferably in import department of company. This position requires the individual with high level of energy/excellent communication skills along with proficiency in MS Office application. Having fluency in both written/spoken English is also must. Also candidates email their CV with recent passport size photograph to jobs@ppecl.com.pk. एक और जॉब है एग्रोनॉमिस्ट ग्रेजुएट 5 years of experience. नंबर 2 एग्रीकल्चर फार्मिंग मैनेजर. नंबर 3 लाइफ स्टॉक एक्सपर्ट्स. नंबर 4 accountant graduate 5 years of experience. All above staff required for our 5,000 acres corporate farm. A farming project by Sultan Mahmud Corporate Farming SMCF. Contact Mr. Fahad Ali 03028935 03028935 email smcfisp@gmail.com. Address House 940 Street 54 NPF E for even E11/4 Islamabad. A leading printing and packaging industry company is looking for computerized machine operators for its UAE based company. Applicant must be computer literate with a graduation degree, fresh and experience. Both can apply. Company will provide necessary trainings on similar machines in Pakistan before offering a position in its UAE based company. Those interested to permanently settled in UAE may apply on below address: faizan.murtaza@dgproc.com, faizan.murtaza@dgproc.com. Assistant fashion designer, male female experience minimum 2 years with reputable designer office, Khalid bin Walid Road. 0326939290 0326939290. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0301244934 0301244934. Legal assistant required for law office. Fresh law graduates will be preferred. Full time work. Contact Wajahid 030247013737 030247013737. Looking for office/outdoor executive for Pakistan. Veterans Cricket Association PVCA Karachi. Candidates should have minimum 3 years experience, proven work experience in an admin/personal assistant role. Possess a high level of computer literacy with proficiency in social media matters. Outstanding organizational and time management skills. Proficient in IT knowledge and its basic operations. Excellent verbal and written communication skills in English. Knowledge and interest in cricket. Should not be over 35 years age. If you are a team player with the drive to perform with minimum supervision and willingness to work in a team-oriented environment, please send your CV with photograph to hr@ideal-leather.com within 7 days of publication of this advertisement by mentioning position applied for in subject line. Lubricants manufacturing company required. Basic purchaser/storekeeper with capacity of handling multitasking. Work for Dubai based company. Graduate apply. 0343842568 0343842568. Email info@sinogulflubricants.com info@sinogulflubricants.com. Need young and energetic person who has 1 or 2 years experience of trade, import related business. The ideal candidate would be able to complete the paperwork and engage with the bank for retirement of documents on a fast track basis. Drop your CV at zishan.khan@gsp.com.pk or WhatsApp 0333822092 0333822092. Our company is looking for a skilled technician of injection molding machines, experienced in service and maintenance. Contact Sky larq60@gmail.com और 0300-822-7711 0300-822-7711. Outdoor assistant required by a company must have owned motorbike and be an intermediate with 2/3 years of work experience as an outdoor assistant or salesman. Apply to dnjobs@gmail.com. Required data entry with salesman, male, telephone operator, male. Contact 0334534453 0334534453. Required transport coordinator 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in fleet management. Email CV hopekarachi@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930. एक और PTCL नंबर है 021322438889 021322438889. A well-reputed organization related to construction industry requires the services of assistant secretary capable of handling routine secretarial works, especially maintaining the record of minutes of the meeting. Should be a graduate/master having 10 years of experience in any reputable firm. Send your CV along with recent photographed through courier to Saeed Shahid Khairi, convener, Abbas House Management, Abad House, Street 1/D, Block 16, Kulistani, Johar, Karachi. Garments and home textile buying house in DHA need fresh textile graduate. Send CV drop CV Karachi@gmail.com. Required a cameraman, non-linear editor and Urdu typist. Experience 5 years for our news organization based in Clifton area, Karachi. Resident of Clifton, Defence or nearby areas will be preferred. Please submit your CV by email advert.community@yahoo.com or call for interview on phone number 031125630066 031125630066 और 0213582093 से 8 0213582093 से लेकर 8. इंजीनियरिंग की जॉब है. A leading pharmaceutical company requires competent professional for the position of BE Electrical/Electronics. The candidate must be bachelor's with minimum 2 years experience in supplying devices with good communication skills and authoritative professional behavior. Age bracket should be between 22 to 35 years and should have excellent experience and exposure to work. We offer lucrative salary package, PF, medical for self and family, group life insurance and other fringe benefits. Please send your CVs with a recent photo mentioning the position in subject line latest by May 22nd 2024 at jobs@sublimedevices.com. Electronic engineer specialist in inverter repair urgently required in hub factory. Minimum experience 3 to 5 years. Interview timing 10 AM to 4 PM. Address 36C for Cat Hut Floor, Shahbaz Commercial Lane 4, DHA. Phase 6. Email Sheikh Amir Ali 09@gmail.com 0213534146 से लेकर 8 0213534146 से लेकर 8 तक मैनेजमेंट की जॉब है. An industrial group required competent HR manager qualification relevant graduate with at least 5 years experience of HR management implementation and monitoring of HR policies with knowledge of labor law. Email resume by mentioning present job descriptions and present and expected salary to group.naukri@gmail.com. Social media manager for online marketing of clothing brand. Experience 5 years. Should have command on Photoshop, Illustrator and website pages. मोबाइल नंबर है 0326939290 0326939290. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0301244934 0301244934. अच्छा जी, मल्टीपल की जॉब है. आ लीडिंग प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी engaged in currency exchange business, seeking applications from dynamic and result-oriented individuals for the following full-time positions. Number 1, counter tellers. Number 2, internal audit assistants. Number 3, compliance assistants. Interested candidates are requested to submit their CV highlighting the position applied for on hr.arec@rcsfb@gmail.com, latest by Saturday, May 18, 2024. Contact if 034712444548. 034712444548. Import/account officers and data entry operators are required. Apply to jobs at faisarbrothers.com. A reputable mining company is looking for the following resources. Number 1, marketing manager MBA. Number 2, AutoCAD/3D designer. Number 3, sales executive. Number 4, social media/SEO specialist. Interested candidates are requested to send their CVs to cv.mining.job@gmail.com. cv.mining.job@gmail.com. टीचर्स की जॉब है. लुकिंग फॉर ब्रांच हेड प्रिंसिपल विथ प्राइमरी experience for play group to grade 5, should have relevant experience and should be excellent spoken English. Please send resume to email address smchs@iuss.edu.pk. A female/male tutor required to teach physics to a pre-medical first year girl student. Contact 033226340830. 033226340830. A reputable school located in Block N, North Nazimabad. Academic coordinator Montessori Primary, Secondary, English, Science, SST, Computer, Maths teachers required urgently. Email staffschool@gmail.com. Del Sol, the school PECHS campus Block 6 is looking for highly qualified teaching faculty in multiple subjects. Suitable candidates must have a proven teaching track record with reputable schools, excellent spoken and written English skills through command of subject knowledge, and a passion for education. Del Sol offers and attractive salary package with great environment and continued professional development. Email your resume to recruitment@delsoledu.com. Jameen Academy, Zaman Town, Korangi. Number 4, requires experienced principal in the field. Interested candidates send their CV to 031611200340. 031611200340 on WhatsApp. SSCA group of schools is looking for qualified and experienced primary and secondary teachers for all subjects. Females preferably. Apply to hr@sirsayyedacademy.edu.pk. Contact 0213660876. 0213660876/033437336660. 0334373360. Address 1BB for Block 8/12 Nazimabad, adjacent to Sir Sayyed Government Girls College, कराची. तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.